Hey, this is Stjepan with Claire Online Video, and welcome to this overview of the Vimeo Create tool. This application allows users to create quick, high-impact short-form social videos. Vimeo Create works on Android, iOS, and desktop. It offers several templates to make high-quality videos for your business or brand. These templates can be tailored to square, portrait, and landscape formats to fit a wide variety of the social media channels currently out there. You can access Vimeo Create by going to the Vimeo Create website on a desktop or by using the mobile app. Once you find a template of your choice, you can customize this for your brand. Select the Customize option to do so. Here you can enter the fields and insert all of the relevant info for your video. You can enter more information in the next few steps. Vimeo offers several tips and example videos along the way to encourage best practices for this tool. Once you're at the Add Photos/Video page, you can add up to 4 photos or videos for your project. You have the choice to upload these or to use stock footage. Following this step, users can add calls to action and other useful info. Finally, on step 7, you can choose to add brand colors and palettes along with fonts for this video. Vimeo business users can even add a company logo when they're signed in. Once you're set, you can preview the video created. When your preview is done loading, you have some final options to select. You can hide the Vimeo Create watermark, you can continue editing, or you can save and share the video. Vimeo will render out the video into multiple sizes and you can download the video. The tool also allows users to publish directly to social media channels such as YouTube and Facebook if your accounts are connected. Overall, you can see how quick and easy it is to create a video asset using these templates. Now, these won't work for every brand or company, but this is a great way to create some promo or sales videos in a matter of minutes. Head over to the Streaming Media main site where I wrote an in-depth article on more ways to use Vimeo Create. Thank you for watching.